Ever played the blame game after a fender bender? We've all been there. Imagine a tiny witness for your car, front and rear dash cam. Today, we're checking out the RedTiger F7P dual dash cam, your automotive attorney in your pocket. Why a dual dash cam? Regular dash cams are great, but a dual cam like this one covers all your bases. It's got a camera for the front with a wide 170-degree viewing angle and another camera for the back with a 140-degree viewing angle, basically giving you a close to 360-degree view of what's happening around your car. No more blind spots, no more room for arguments, just clear video evidence in case of, well, anything. This dashcam records in super high definition, so you can see all the important details, like license plates and road signs. Plus, it's got night vision, so even if it's dark out, the camera will capture everything clearly. And no need to fiddle with wires to see your footage. This dashcam has Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to your phone and view the videos right away. There's even an app that lets you download and edit the footage, so you can share those epic road trip moments with your friends or use it as evidence, if needed. This dashcam has a built-in GPS, which is pretty cool. It tracks your driving route, speed, and location, giving you even more evidence in case of an accident. Imagine being able to show exactly where and how everything happened. Pretty handy, right? This dashcam comes with a bunch of features to give you peace of mind. Loop recording means it won't stop recording even when the memory card is full. A G sensor automatically saves footage in case of a collision. And there's even a 24-hour parking mode, of course, with a separate hardware kit to keep an eye on your car when it's parked. Is the RedTiger F7P worth it? For around $100, this dual dash cam offers a lot of features for the price. It's easy to use, has great video quality, and comes with a bunch of safety features. So, if you're looking for a way to protect yourself on the road and avoid any disagreement situations, the RedTiger F7P dual dashcam might be a great option. But remember folks, a dashcam is not a magic shield that prevents accidents. Drive safe out there, but hey, if something does happen, having a dashcam can definitely help. Please check the link in the description to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to support the channel.